right now I'm on my way to Studio RSR. Just gonna give you guys a quick look of the interior, how it looks now before the roll cage. I haven't really showed my interior actually in any of the videos, just me driving around. That's how it looks right now. Still have a few things I want to get in carbon, like this thing, these, just a few more little things in here. But other than that, just like it nice and simple and clean in here. Officially gonna have no trunk room anymore. The only trunk space I had was back here for my skateboard. But the cage bolts up here in the back and then behind the seat, so I'm not gonna have this anymore either. It's all good though. I ordered the cage February 12th, so it's been like 3 months. Was supposed to be done in a month, but I'm not sure what happened. But whatever, it's all good. I'm gonna go get that installed. They're gonna do it for me. I wanted to do it, but I mean, they want to do it, so it's fine with me. I don't have to deal with it, I guess. Dude, these are my favorite seats. What's crazy is that these seats are discontinued. So they came out with the new seat. The stitching's like kind of different. It has a bunch of stitching. I don't really like it. I like these ones. So I hit up my homie Mo, the one that gets me all my parts, and asked him if he can order me these. And he said they were discontinued. So I was kind of bummed. But he hit up his distributor that he gets his Recaros from. And they said they were able to make one last pair. So pretty much one of the last pairs of these Recaros. So that's pretty sick to have. All I have to order next, which I haven't ordered, are the harnesses. I still don't have a seatbelt. I have it, but there's no buckle. I explained it on another video. Doesn't fit there. Passenger does, but see, there's room right here to bolt it up, but I didn't put it. I don't know. My passengers have to sign a waiver if they want to get a ride in here. Car's coming along though. It's gonna be 3 years on May 23rd that I've had this car, so it's coming. Use this as my mat. I still have to buy one from Nissan. I always slack it on the little things. All right, head over. All right, update. So I guess they just hit me up and just told me to just come in tomorrow instead of today and having to leave my car, and they can just finish it the same day tomorrow. So I'm just gonna do that instead, because they were gonna get me an Uber to bring me back home, but that's a whole mission. I'd rather just go tomorrow, get it all done all at once. It's finally the next day. I'm gonna go get my cage installed. I have to be there by 2 in about 45 minutes. It's probably gonna take like 4 or 5 hours. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna go skate around, try to find something to do. So stoked to finally get this thing installed. I could have gotten my bumper first, but I really wanted this cage so I can have seatbelts in here, because it felt pretty sketchy not having seatbelts. It still feels sketchy. Shit felt crazy when I stepped on it in second gear. It pulled so much, it was weird. I never felt it like that, and I barely stepped on it. Oh my god. Cops dipping. Alright, we're pretty much here, like 1 minute away. So I'll see you guys in a bit. high school, see if there's anything to skate there for now. Just ollie it first try real quick. Maybe there's something at the end of the stair set. Big ass crack. Alright, let's see what we can find. It's like a puzzle. Okay, I'll leave it like that. Lady screaming at me to get out. She's like really calling the cops. Come on, I'm just chilling. Let's go record her. So she'll see what she wants. Let's do a kickflip in front. Hi. What was that?
You're not allowed on the campus.
I'm just cruising around.
It doesn't matter. You go out, I shut the gate, you figure out another way to come back in, that's your problem. But the police will be back. So let's go.
You call the police?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you're not allowed on the campus. Let's go. One dude will be by to double check.
Okay.
Go. Where are you going out? That way?
Yeah, the gate's open over there. That's how I came in.
Well, I know. I was just heading over there to close it. I don't know why it's open. The custodian's supposed to make sure every gate is closed.
Okay.
So go over there.
All right. Okay. She was nice. I just like to mess with people sometimes when they try to kick me out from skate spots. Guess I'll just skate outside. Bro, I'm old. I'm not old, but my body feels old. Alright, there's a middle school down the street. Let's go skate that now. Right here. See if I can shit first try though. Oh! Battery. What was that? I know. Can I skate for a little bit? Oh man. heading home now. So stoked on this cage. It's crazy. They were telling me that I'm gonna feel a big difference, like if I track this car and stuff. And just turning off the street, you can feel the car, like it handles so different. Like it just feels so solid now. So stoked on this cage. Just gotta get the harnesses still. I'm gonna order those probably today or something. Damn, it feels way different now. The way it handles, like it feels way more responsive when you're turning. And not only does it look sick or add some safety, but it makes my car handle so much better. I didn't even think about that when getting this cage, if it was gonna change the handling, make it feel good, but hold up. Just hear it a little bit. I had to. Dude, it feels good. Like, it feels planted to the floor. It feels so much better. It feels so solid. The cage is, it's made out of steel. They have steel, or how do you say, chromoly or whatever. Whatever it is. That one's 50 pounds and then this one's 70 pounds. If I flip, I'm chilling now. This thing's gonna save my life. So I'm super stoked on it. But yeah, dude, this thing's like super responsive. Turn the wheel, I almost want to do a 180 right now, just real quick. Oh shit. But no, honestly, this thing feels way better now. It's crazy. You automatically feel the difference. Yeah, I would highly recommend getting a cage from Studio RSR. They build a bunch of gnarly cages for Porsches, GT3s, a bunch of Euro cars. Dude, it's really good, high quality work. Just look at that thing back there. So sick. Oh, damn. Sheesh. Went down a mountain. If I would have flipped right there, I would have been chilling anyways. But yeah, this is honestly one of my favorite mods to the car for sure. I could have got my bumper instead of the cage, but dude, I wanted this cage as soon as it came out for 350Zs, because they came out with it. I want to say I ordered it in February. That's when I paid. I think it came out like 2 months before I got it. So I'm the third owner with this cage for the 350Z. The other two owners is Donut Media. He put the steel cage in one Z, and then the chromoly, however you say that, he put that in the other Z. So I mean, I'm like I think I'm like the first buyer, you know, like the first random buyer, I guess, because Donut Media, they were testing it out on his car. They made the cage in his car for the 350Z, and then came out with it right after that. Really good quality, worth the money for sure. Now next, I just need to get my bumper, of course. God damn. Need to get my bumper and then my tune, and I'm pretty much set for all the expensive stuff that I need to get for this car. Shout out to everyone at Studio RSR. All those guys were super cool. Super fun day for sure. But if I end it here, see you guys later. Next video, we'll see what it is.